Welcome students of HAVO 5 classes and HAVO 6. Yeah, I'm grading your test right now here and I see that you didn't do what I asked. Je hebt niet gedaan wat ik je heb gevraagd. En ik begrijp niet waarom, want ik wil je graag dat jullie hoge cijfers halen. I want you to get high grades. So please pay attention to what I'm telling you in this 3-minute video. Wat moet je doen? You have to go to this website. You have a browser, you can type it in, kapazgs.wixsite.com/kap-az-geschiedenis. You go there and you find there correctiemodellen van HAVO-examens from 2001, 2024, and you can practice the questions. I told you in this period I will only use the last 3 HAVO exams. You can also find there, you can find there all the materials if you forgot something, if you forgot the staatsrichting, if you forgot the syllabus, oorlog en vrede, if you want to see some jaartallenlijsten, yeah, you can find them here also on this website that I just showed you. Yeah. Also, I've made a lot of clips as a short. You can go to www.youtube.com/@Meneer Pescado, like you can see here, and I've made a lot of shorts in which I talk about each video. But I can understand his English. I cannot understand his Dutch. No worries, because I've subtitled them. Whoa. Yeah, and also for you guys, I've put ready here. No, it's not Kahoot. It's a much nicer quiz website you can find over here. You go to Zish. You know, your browser, you type it in. Yeah, it's weird, but you've seen it 1,000 times already. So you go to Zish and you type in the code XZF2594. You find combination questions, combinatievragen, wat hoort bij elkaar. You find volgordevragen, chronology, chronologie, wat moet op welke volgorde. And you find meerkeuzevragen, the almighty multiple choice. And 100% guarantee I'm going to ask those, yeah, end of this month and in January. And likely they're also going to be on the test. Please do these things. I'm not hobbying here. I'm not being unreasonable, but these are necessary for preparation of your tests in your exam year, people. You're in your exam year. Act accordingly. Do your best. I know you can, but you have to do it. Goodbye.